Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today, we're looking for monster trucks. Whoa, check it out, it's Thunderbus. Whoa, storm damage, what are you doing way over here? Oh no, check it out. There's a bunch of tanks over here. There's a bunch of invaders over here. They're blocking this pathway. So we can't go that way, we gotta go this way. Oh man, hey Wedge, can you help us? There's some zombies over here we need to get through. Let's go. Whoa, good job, Wedge. You broke through those zombies. Hey, check it out. Who's this one? It's Gangster. What are you doing upside down, Gangster? Hey, Blue Thunder, what are you doing over here? Whoa, who's that? It's Pirate's Curse. Huh. Do you see any? What? There's Piranha right there. Wow. Wow, who's that over there? It's Race Ace. Whoa, look at this. There's a dinosaur. And this one. Who's this? Have you seen this one before? It's Cage Rattler. It's a snake we found. Wow. It's a rattlesnake. Uh-oh, looks like Lion Share fell over. Hey, Lion Share. Whoa, who's this? Do you know the name of this one? Oh, it says it right there. It says Dragon. D-R-A-G-O-N. Dragon. Whoa, who's this? Oh no, it's Troll, and his hair's all messed up. Let's fix Troll's hair. There we go, Troll. Now you got a super cool hairdo. Whoa, it's Bear Devil. Wow, look at that fish the bear's eating. Who's that? I've never seen this one before. Oh wait, it's Full Charge. That's such a pretty monster truck. Whoa, it's Shark Reek. Look at those cool flames. Oh no, Donkey Kong's upside down. Hey Donkey Kong, that's a pretty cool monster truck. Whoa, who's this one? I've never seen this before. Oh wait, it's Godzilla. That's so cool, it's Godzilla monster truck. Who's this over here? It's Wolf's Head. Wow, hey Wolf's Head. Now you're a pretty cool looking monster truck too. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. Found Wolf's Head, Shark Creek, Donkey Kong, Dragon. Whoa, this dinosaur, that's not a monster truck. Godzilla, Full Charge, Lion Share, Bear Devil, Troll, Blue Thunder, Wedge, Race Ace, Pirate's Curse, Green Zombie, Cage Rattler, Red Zombie, White Zombie, Gangster, Piranha, Thunderbus, and Storm Damage. We found so many monster trucks today. How many monster trucks did we find? Let's count them all. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, one dinosaur, and 21. We found 21 monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. It's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.